Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix this error. An internal system error occurred, dxerror.log. This usually happens when you install a DirectX setup. One thing you should do when you're about to install the software or the program, make sure you run it as administrator. Click on it, run as administrator. Try to install it. And if you still run into the same error, then you can try this. Go to your browser and then type in this Microsoft C++ redistributable. Then click on it. After here, scroll down. Here, if you're using a 32-bit system, then you can click on this one. If you're using a 64-bit system, then you click on this one. Save, run it. After you run it, restart your computer again and then try again. Try to install DirectX again and you're done.